So good to see you. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm little bit under the weather and somehow I managed. And yeah, right now I'm
Okay.
talking to you. Because of the weather is changing little bit. Now the winter season it has been
Mm.
started. So that's why. Yeah,
Yes,
just
yes,
tell
yes.
me how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Yes, let me introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Shanta, and I live in Karnataka. By qualification, I am a software engineer, and I worked in the IT industry after my college. And yeah, that's pretty much about me. I've recently started a YouTube channel, so I'm working on my channel in my free time now. And
Hmm.
I know your name. I know you run a channel. So please tell me more about yourself.
Actually, they are nothing to tell about. But yeah, I would like to introduce myself too. So as you know, my name is Yashoda, and currently I'm situated in Uttar Pradesh. And as far as my education is concerned, so I'm intermediate pass from Punjab board. And currently, yeah, right now I'm a homemaker. I'm an English language learner, and I'm a YouTuber too. I'm running YouTube channels which is based on spoken English.
Right. You're pretty famous and you're quite successful in YouTube as well, right? I guess you have two channels.
Yes.
Mm. So it like it is so inspiring. I've heard from so many women that after looking at Dehati ma'am, it gave me an inspiration to learn, and if she can do it, we can also do it. So you're doing a very good job, I must say.
Yeah, it really means a lot to me, ma'am. And I really want to thank to you because your appreciation, I really need this because just because
Mhm.
of others' appreciation and that feeling that they give me, they make me realize that means I have done something for them. So this thing
Yes,
always keeps me motivating. It
yes,
really
yes.
encourages.
You are the voice of so many women, especially of the rural areas.
That's why though I'm feeling under the weather, so I'm always ready for having a session. It doesn't matter I'm good or not, but for me, my English language practice is first priority.
And why and where did you get this passion for English?
Somehow I can say it's God blessings, and God has put that thought in my mind
Hmm. Oh, that's it.
because
It was not like you wanted to look for a job or something. It was not like that.
I just wanted to because I live in a village, so I wanted to live my life in a village. But just because of in the especially in Corona times, it was Corona time, and as well as my husband, he met an accident, and we suffered a lot. I suffered a lot, and my husband and me, both of us, we were totally devastated at that time. We was totally devastated. So I wanted to find a way by which I can help my husband financially. I wanted to help him. So I can say he was the only one because of which I have started my YouTube journey as well as learning this language. Because before this, I had started 3 or 4 channels, but all those channels they didn't work. And then yeah, somehow randomly I was one day scrolling on my YouTube, and one day I got Sandeep Maheshwari sir's video, and after that Alina Rais ma'am's video, and after that then one by one all conversation videos they started coming across
Mm.
in front of my eyes, and I started watching, and these things makes me so much fascinated by because I was able to understand what they were saying, but
Mm.
the thing was only there that I couldn't speak.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So I think you have learned purely by watching YouTube videos. Is that true?
yes, yes.
Mm. Very nice to gain this level of fluency just by watching videos. It's very inspiring. Did you also learn English in school or something as a subject?
Yes, it was in my school time because the time when I started my studying from nursery to 12th class, it was always there a particular subject in English. So our teacher,
Oh.
they used to teach us all the things, grammar, sentences and everything, noun and pronoun. But at that time, I didn't get anything. I have only one idea what are tenses and what is present, what is past and what is future. That's it.
Yes,
I had only that
yes.
knowledge and I just use that knowledge in my communication.
Mm. But you tell me one thing, because I've been closely associated with one of the villages, which is the maternal home of my mother. So talking about that village, I would say that they are not very progressive when it comes to, giving freedom to women or
Yes.
empowering them or allowing them to improve. So what was your situation? Did you get the support from your family members at least?
In the very beginning of my journey, nobody, even my husband, he didn't support me. But after some time, when all my videos started getting viral, and I got so many subscribers on my channel, it would get monetized only in a 1 week, 1.5, sorry ma'am, 1.5 month. So yeah, my husband, he got that idea. Definitely she's do whatever she's doing, she's doing good, and now I have to support her. So yeah, then he started supporting me, and even he also scolds my mother and my sister-in-laws too, because they always want me to do only household chores and do
Yes.
only farm work related to farm. But my husband, he scolds them, he always scolds them, and that's why I'm try to manage my work and my household chores and my work and my YouTube journey, everything, because it has become integral part of my life, especially
Yes, yes.
learning journey.
Yes, yes. Learning and teaching also, because you are inspiring so many other people. And you're really lucky, at least your husband is there, he's supporting you to go forward in life and do something for yourself. That's very nice.
Because here
Yes,
in
and
village,
since,
having this kind of mentality, especially in the people who are not that much educated, who are illiterate, so they have only very mean kind of mindset, that they think
yes.
only one thing, that woman is there, then the meaning of woman is only to do household chores. There is no need to even the all the even my there are two daughter-in-laws are there. My means daughter
Okay.
sister-in-laws are there,
Uh-huh.
two daughter
Just in
sisters
that.
are.
Mhm.
I'm so confused. I have two sister-in-laws, and both of them, they are not educated. Even they didn't get chance to go to the school,
Mhm.
because my father-in-law, he didn't allow. And
Yes.
that's why in my initial days, I fought for myself, and I said one thing, that I'm not going to put that wheel that much long, because I have to do
Mm.
something for myself. In
Mm.
initial days, it was really very hectic for me. It was very kind of stress kind of thing for me. Stressful.
Yes,
I was
yes.
very stressful because of this. But yeah, just because of I was consistent on my journey, I was passionate, and I'm determined. That's why.
Yes, I know. Yes, yes. You have a lot of great deal of willpower, I should say, to achieve what you want to do, living in a village, and you have to fight all the odds. It will be very traumatizing for you, right? Initially, when you started off, you have to listen to all people say. And even now, maybe people don't appreciate you for what you have achieved.
No, no
They
one
must be
appreciates.
wondering, what is she doing in front of the camera whole day? She's talking this, that. They must be talking.
Even here, people, especially women around my house, they have this kind of problem. They always criticize me.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Women criticize women. That happens a lot in villages.
because they have problem from this, that now I'm capable, I'm able to earn money, I'm standing on my feet, I don't need to ask money from others. That's why they have this problem, that now she is earning money, so I should start tease her. And they also said, sometimes they say something bad things about my work, that I'm making a online session with, and not even only with women but also with men, so they have problem with that thing. Because here in village, we are not allowed to go in front of any woman who is, especially men who are stranger, and
Yes.
even without putting that wheel.
Yes, yes. That is a very sad thing about villages, because I told you that I'm associated with one of the villages. So I see my own relatives telling their girl child, okay, the son is there, okay, he is the one for us. You are, you're going to grow up, get married, and go away. You don't mean much to us. They tell it directly to their children who are like, 11, 12 years, they are teenagers. So I feel very sorry for them. Like, I can't imagine my parents telling that to me.
And that's why I have just now I know that I can change the mentality of my own. village people. So I just need to work. If I will be able to achieve any of goal in my life, then I would be able to say that without any kind of fear that yeah, this is not right, this is right. Uh, you have to make your child, especially your babies, your baby girl, to send
Girls.
her school, to make her that much able so that she can stand on her feet, she can earn money. She I don't want any other baby girl to depend on only on others.
Yes, yes, that is a sad reality. And
Even
what do
ma'am,
you think?
ma'am, in my village, even in my family, they are my 12 sister-in-laws. Okay,
Hmm.
they are my father-in-law. They have 5 brothers. So all in all, they are 12 sister-in-laws. So the little one is around 7 years old, and she can do everything. She cooks food,
Yeah.
even she works in farms, and she does everything. The time when they need only to play, where they have to need only uh, they have to enjoy their life, they are only pressure on them to do work.
Yes, yes, yes. That is the biggest problem of rural India, right? The gender discrimination. It is still so prevalent in the villages. They still do it. And it's been
Yes,
like so many years and they are still continue doing it. I don't know how to explain. I just hope every parent thinks like you. You have to treat them both girl and boy as equal. If she is learning to cook, even he has to learn to cook. If
yes,
he's you're training him to grow up and find a work, train your great girl child also in a similar manner.
yes, whatever you said, it's really, ma'am, it's true. And sometimes I feel like that very bad, that thing, why it is happening here.
Yes, yes.
In the
And
in
one more
cities,
major drop. Hmm.
in cities people's mentality has been changed now, but in village still same mentality is there.
Yes, yes. And another major, there is also caste system. People are treated according to their caste.
Yes,
Is that Yeah, that happens in your village also?
they always discriminate.
Hmm. Yes. Okay,
But
then are you? Hmm. Yes, yes. You go ahead.
nah, you can ask whatever you are asking.
Yeah, I was asking you, have you always been this kind of woman who has a strong willpower, or you trained yourself to be like this?
Actually, uh, I always think about one thing after that time of Corona pandemic, that problems are in our life like blessings in disguise. So that time when it came in my life, so that especially that time, suffering, all my sufferings, they made me so much strong to take steps for me.
Hmm.
Because earlier I used to think that just a woman, I'm a girl, what can I do? I used to think only that thing. And even I was kind of an introvert person. I didn't have that much dare to go and talk to others. And here I don't have that much dare to go outside and go for shopping alone. No. Even we are not allowed.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yes, ma'am. You were telling something earlier.
How are you, Pani?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. What do you think are the other problems that Indian villages are facing?
Actually, the first one is their mentalities, this kind of thing. And it has become the ritual that we should always follow those rituals which we have been following for a very long time, and I don't think it's good. We have to change
Hmm.
our mentality, because according to the time now, the society has been developed, and the things, technology has been developed, so now we have to use all those things so we can make us so much confident, so that we can say proudly that yeah, I am a woman and I can help my husband, I can do anything whatever I do. And I miss, I just want, especially for girls, especially in village, that they have to make themselves independent and confident. And even sometimes, just because of having this mentality or this kind of thing, even sometimes what happened, boys are there. Okay, they are also not that much educated, so their side, their side, I can say, towards the girl, it's always bad. They always
Yes,
think different thing about girls, and they molest them.
yes,
So
yes,
but just because of we don't have that much gut, especially girls, they don't tell the same thing to their parents. And if the girl, she has dared to tell that thing, then each and every time only they scold their girls. They don't take
yes,
any kind of action towards boys.
yes, yes. And indirectly, they, stop the girl from going out also. This also happens because of that fear. They don't tell it even in their houses. They say you better stay at home, or it was your mistake. You're wearing this kind of dress.
Yes,
That is the reason they are criticizing you. Yes, yes,
it's only girls' mistakes.
yes, yes,
Even in village, no one is allowed to wear short dresses. Still, there same things happen. And even
yes,
I don't know why, because social media, it has been impacted a lot. It has been changed, because nowadays, especially, I can say, now people, they like to watch movies and rubbish
mm,
songs and vulgar kind of content. And especially there are so many people are there that like to post these kind of vulgar contents, so people, they are
yes,
watching. And by this, our, especially the younger generation, who is who will become the who can become a good citizen, ideal citizen in future, their future, it has been devastated. Their
yes,
future,
yes,
it will be spoiled by only that thing, by social media. Because an educated person, he knows that thing, but what is right for him and what is wrong for him. Just like me, I was educated, not that much, but I was that much educated, and I have that idea that what is good for me, what is bad for me. So I use that social media only in order to grow myself, only in order to learn something. But the people who are not educated, they think only that if I have that access of this phone, so it means now I can watch any kind of movie or song and I can entertain myself. That's it.
yes, yes, yes. You need to, even if you have had the access to do such things, many people don't utilize it, right?
Yes.
Utilize it in a proper way, like you have done.
And even the time, I must say, uh, before, when I was in my school time, so at that time there was not any kind of access. We don't have this much this kind of phone. So at that time, ladies, what they used to do, they have TV in their houses, and after doing their household chore, they would like to see so many serials
Yes, yes,
at that time. And I was also so much attracted towards all these serials, but I don't know, but just because of I got that thing, that what is right or what is wrong, so that's why I want to indulge myself only into learning or getting good knowledge and good things, which is really very inevitable for me.
yes, yes. And did you face any technical issues like being in a village, access to the internet or slow internet? Did you
Yes,
face any
always,
difficulty?
always, always. And even just right now, you can hear some background noise too, because in my neighborhood there is a Muslim family, and in their family there is a marriage occasion, marriage
Okay.
ceremony. So that's why they are enjoying, they are playing their music at a great sound, or a loud sound.
Mm.
But why should I just uh, tell them that you are interrupting me? Because this is my choice. If I have to do something, then you have to keep doing. It doesn't matter what comes in your way, but you have to just overcome your problems only by
Right.
taking your actions.
Yes, yes. Such nice words from your side because we are always used to, blame something. This happened, that is why I didn't
Yes,
do this. Yeah, it is, it's such a nice thing that you are telling all this, and you want to do it because you want to do it. That's it.
yes, that's
You're
it.
not allowing anybody else to define or dominate or tell you that you can't do this. You're doing what you like.
Sometimes people, what they think, anyone can manipulate us. No, no one can manipulate us. If your mindset is fixed that I have to achieve that thing, and somehow I have to do, then you can. If you think about others, what others do, and I have to also do like that, the others, but the if other person is buying a car, so I would also go and buy a car. No, it's not good. What is my condition? We shouldn't follow other person.
You people will be inspired, right? A person like, with all pallu and everything and speaking such English and is on YouTube, is doing all this. So many people might be, telling you like, we are proud of you that you are taking ahead the culture and still you're doing this.
Because I believe in everything. We have to
Mm.
grow in our life. We must have each and every kind of access, but our culture, it should be always
Mm.
there with us. There's no
Mm.
need to forget our culture. Yeah, I know that I am a woman. I have to cook food. I have to do all the house chores. I don't have that much dare to ask my husband to cook for something for me. No, even if I will ask, then I will. My husband, he will scold me only. I know that.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
and what is your goal? Like, do you have any specific set goal that you have to achieve, you want to achieve?
Yes, I have set a goal that now I want to earn money. There is no doubt. I want to earn money, but why? For what? For whom? Because
Mm.
since my childhood, I have that dream that I want to do something for others. I want to earn money for others, and especially the child, and especially the people who doesn't have money, who are not that much privileged, and they don't have access of anything. So I want to help them, as well as I want to start my own orphanage and old age home for the old
Mm.
people, because here in village the same thing is there. Even in my village I can see there are so many people are there, especially the 5 or 10 old age people are there, and they are about 70 or 18. Some of them they have 4 kids, some of them they have 5 children, but hardly people they feel happy in order to give them us one time or 2 times dinner or food.
Mm. So sad to hear about that.
Yes, it's reality. This is the reality. And even I don't know why, especially women, they create this kind of problem. Why he doesn't have any kind of problem, only women, she has these kind of problems. If I can, like, they are 4 brothers, अगर मैं दे रही हूँ तो वो क्यों नहीं दे रहा है? उसको भी देना चाहिए. उसको भी तो बड़ा किया है, उसको भी तो सब कुछ दिया है. जो मिला है सभी चारों को मिला है, तो उस अकेले बाप का खर्चा भी चारों लोग उठाएं.
Just for offering, giving food to the elderly,
Yes.
all these things comes out.
Each
Mm.
and every day here I can face this kind of situation where even for a small amount of thing, women they start quarreling with others. I don't know how I have come here. I got here because I've done my studies from Punjab, and there was not fields, but I was living my simple life. And yes, somehow because it was my destination, so I have come here. And because I believe in one thing, that if something is bad happening with you, then there must be a good thing behind this. Because if in my life, my husband's accident, he met an accident, and corona pandemic time was there, so just because of all these time I make myself that much confident and so strong, so that I can do anything according to my desire.
Mm. And your husband's accident, was it like, very intenseful or something? Is he doing good now?
Actually, his right side leg, it has been broken. It had been broken at that time, but now after operation, it was fixed. Right now, it's okay. He's normal. He can walk anywhere, but he can't do any kind of heavy work. And in that operation, 2 fingers, 3 fingers from the left leg, and 1 finger from the right leg, it has been cut by the doctor.
Mm. Okay, okay. So sorry to hear about that. So in
Yes,
in
just
your
because of
future,
helmet, ma'am, just because of he was at that time he was wearing helmet. So because of that, he's surviving right now.
oh, okay, okay. That was a very bad accident, I think so.
Yeah, it was very bad accident. Even my family, all of us, we were suffering that time, and my father-in-law was there, and I always obey him, and somehow he managed. In our family, there was not a lot of money, because we don't have enough land, and my husband at that time, he used to earn only 300 and 400 rupees for a day. And all my two brother-in-laws, they were very young. So, and only my husband and my brother-in-law, one brother-in-law, they were working at that time, and there was no one to help us. So in my, still we are in debt, still we are in debt.
Oh my God.
Somehow my father-in-law, he managed 3 and 4 lakh rupees from others. Then after 2 months, there was marriage of my one sister-in-law, and somehow we did all the things. It was really very bad time, but I must say,
Yes.
अगर जिंदगी में मुश्किलें आती हैं तो अच्छा समय भी आता है. We just need to be patient. We just need to have our patience.
Now you should be really proud of yourself, right? Because you have achieved this much and you're doing good. Everybody should
Yes,
be proud of you, your family.
I proud on myself, but I don't that much, because if I say the same thing that I'm enough good, I don't need to do anything, I'm good, I'm good, then sometimes these kind of thought make us that sometimes somehow we get that kind of arrogance, I can say. That's why I always consider myself that I'm nothing. I just want to be grounded. I don't want to be here. I always want to be like this at my
Yeah.
level.
Yes, but it is very difficult to not allow success to get into your head. Like very soon you achieve something, success gets into your head, right? But you have already thought that you are not going to go there. You are going to maintain like what you're doing, and you're going to
Yes.
be grounded all the time.
Because sometimes I have seen this, there are so many YouTubers, when they get success, then their behavior, it changes, and their way of living, everything, it will change. But I don't want to get all these things in my personality, because I know that if I will start doing that thing, then definitely people, they will start criticizing me, especially in village, because the society in which I am living, so I have to manage according to this society.
Do you ever plan of leaving the village because of all
No,
the problems going on?
no,
No.
I can't. I don't want to leave this village. Even I'm feeling so blessed, because just because of my village and my name, as I put my channel's name, English with Dehati Madam. So this is my I can say recognition. I am
Okay. Yeah.
recognized. I am recognized only by my this name, my this uh, क्या कहते हैं, ये मेरी पहचान है.
That's your identity.
Yes, this is my identity. And even here we have access of free natural air, natural food, and each and everything natural. So why should I leave?
Yes, yes. There are negative things, but there are also positive things also
Yeah,
living in a village.
only there's some kind of sometime problem of electricity and network. So I also want to do so many things related to my farm, because I'm enjoy doing all these things. I really enjoy.
Even
That I
physically, you
can
should
say
have that stamina.
I'm so blessed that I got this chance to live my life, especially in village, and I'm enjoying that thing. Especially in people who lives in city, so they face so many kind of health issues and everything, just because of not having natural things. But I'm so much privileged that I'm blessed with these things, this natural beauty.
Okay, okay. It's so inspiring talking to you, ma'am. If you have
At least you're doing something productive.
yes, yes, that's the main intention of it. Rather than just sitting and scrolling or doing something which is not benefiting you in any way, it's better that I do this.
So are you also running any kind of institute?
No, no, not right now because I'm working for
But I
another
think you
institute.
should go. You should go. You're supposed to do, because I know that your level of means speaking is really very good.
Okay, okay, yeah, I'll surely consider that. Thank you for the appreciation.
Yes. Because if you have knowledge, then you have to share with the learners who really want to go come to you
Yes,
and get
yes, yes.
knowledge from you.
Right, right. They have so much expectations that one session if I do with her, maybe I will get to learn something from the opposite person. Yeah, I'll
Yes.
do that.